Let's discuss LeetCode problem number 42, trapping rainwater. And before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I've added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now back to the problem. Like, you are given in non-negative integers like this 0, 1, 0, 2, and representing the elevation map like this, the elevation map, where the width of each bar is 1 unit. Compute how much units of water you can trap after raining. So in this case, like, you have 1 unit, like I see 3 units here, and then 1 unit, so total 6 units. That's the answer you're supposed to return. Now let us take a look at the solution. So the strategy is to use the two-pointer method. If you see, you have left and right, but the pattern I call it as update max or water pattern. So if you see this condition, like, and this is a replication of left and rights. So either you update the left max or right max, or you gather total water. So that's the reason why I named it pattern that way, to remember the solution. So let's take a look at the code. So this one, it defines the uh, function trap that calculates the trapped water, taking the reference of vector of heights and returning the total units of water as an integer. So if the height is empty, then you return 0. That is basically like a base case. And you update, you set, because it's a two-pointer thing, you set the left to the start and right to the end of the array, and use left max and right max to track the highest bars encountered from both sides. And total water basically initializes the variable to accumulate the amount of water trapped. So this is the main while loop. You continue processing while left is less than right. It's a standard two-pointer logic, similar to binary search. So in this case, if the bar at the left pointer is shorter than the bar at the right pointer, you process the left side. Otherwise, you process the right side. So if height of left is greater than the left max, initially it is 0, you set to 0. If it is, then you update the left max and then increment the left pointer. We have a complete run for the LeetCode case, so that will maybe help you better to understand what's going on. It's not that complicated, but you are just basically keep tracking of the left max, and the max drops, that's where you can collect the water. So if the height increases, then you are basically the container height is increasing, sort of thing. And if it drops, then you get the opportunity to collect the water. So similar case here as well, just for right, but for right you decrement. So if height of left is greater than height max, you update. Otherwise, now it is not greater than the max. So there is an opportunity, left max minus height left is the amount of water that can be trapped. And here same case, right max minus height right is the amount of water that can be trapped. Let us take a look at the run about the LeetCode case. Like, you start off left with 0 and right as 11, and height left is 0 and height right is 1. Yeah, that's right. Actually, the rightmost bar is 1. So because of that, you update left max at index 0, and then moving left pointer, you do left and right. Then because they are equal, only when this one is less you process the left side, otherwise you process the right side. Update the right max to 1 at index 11, and update the move the right pointer to 10, you decrement it, and then you are now the current height is 1, and then current height is 2. I think let me copy the thing so that it becomes easier to understand what's going on. So let me put it here. So this is where the height right equals to 1 for the first one, and then it becomes 2 here. This is for this one, and you update the uh, right max to 1. You update the right max to 1, and now you loop height left is less than height right is 2 now, because you move the index. So 1 is less than 2, you update the left max to 1 at index 1, and then move left pointer to 2. Now height left is 2 0 and height right is 2, so you move to the left, and when you move to the left, so you trap the height left max current height is 0, but the max is 1, so you trap 1 unit of water basically. And also similarly, when this one from 2 to 1 you drop, that's when you trap another unit of water at index 9. This is where you trap another unit of water, and so it becomes 2 and then 1 0 and 1. This is where you trap 1 unit of water, max height is 2, and then here you trap 2 units of water, and then here you add 1 unit of water. By then I think the right pointer and left pointer they cross basically. 7, and so this is the 1 unit of water, 2 units of water, and 1 more unit of water we are talking about, because left max is 2 and the heights are 1 0 1, and then moving left pointer to 7, whereas the right pointer is already at 7, so you come out of the loop. That's it. Comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise I will see you in the next video.